See you. You asked for that last week.
Very good.
Takedowns, submissions, reverses, backs. So people that don't squat. 7:30 on, what we do, massive side. We're massive side. So what? Not really, not with this.
Okay, so you have the most of the batting, and then after that,
Yeah, so the way it works. Let's say, as I used to, this is empty living, and this is bathroom for living. It's a X, and to be lifted, it's right. So every time he gets once he goes through everything, it's one line, he has a general understanding of everything he does. Just the first time he sits down, he's not he's just not being used to it. You have to do everything you know he's done.
and then until you pass class. Right. Which is the sheet that you are there. So, the test that's
So after you've done everything in the list 3 times, and you've done 12 reverse developmental. Reverse developmental are the classes in which you compare everything together. So in individual classes, you practice any individual technique. Let's say you do, I don't know, running picture. Well, you practice how to take the back and the running picture. And you put this in the classes, that's how you learn how to prepare everything. So after you've done 1, 10, 6 times, now done. Then you
you guys need to talk about it.
master that.
You guys know, do you know how to do it?
Yeah. Well, yes, it would definitely. And it's not because your ratios are not managed. This is not how it is working. Or your one thing is years that you learned it under system. So, yeah, it was just a matter of just, but why are you gonna use the money? The program has just been established.
Yeah.
We have instructors, I'm an instructor.
And what about the bottom?
Yes. And the time of it is just also, instructors that are also
Yeah, they're paying per hour.
and it doesn't matter what your belt is, it doesn't matter what time it's your job. You can train 2 years as a competitor.
You guys should get competition.
People that do competitions. There will be, you have to you used to compete?
Dude, I just dropped like $300 for another 3 days. And then it's like 75 on top. It's like, I don't wanna just dig out my face and that's just Fires.
You okay? Oh, no, that's good. Thank you, brother. Always a pleasure.